We come to the stomach, which has the biggest capacity in the body. It consists of a lesser curvature and a big greater curvature, which is lying towards the left. The lesser curvature is lying towards the right. It has an anterior surface and a posterior surface. The posterior surface, structures related to the posterior surface also form the bed of the stomach. They are the main ones are the pancreas, spleen, the transverse colon, transverse mesocolon, left kidney and the left suprarenal. The stomach consists of the cardiac end, fundus of the stomach. This is the fundus of stomach, the body of stomach and the pyloric part. The anterior surface of the body is related to the liver, to the diaphragm and to the costal cartilages. The posterior surface of stomach forms the stomach bed. It is formed by the pancreas, by the transverse colon, transverse mesocolon. On the left side, it is formed by the left kidney, left kidney, suprarenal and the spleen. The pyloric part is formed by pyloric antrum, pyloric canal and the pylorus. Pylorus has a thick sphincter so that opening of the pylorus is very, very small. On opening the stomach, we see that there are longitudinal folds in the wall of the stomach, and along the lesser curvature of the stomach there is a canal which is known as the gastric canal. The blood supply of the stomach along the lesser curvature is by left gastric artery and the right gastric artery. Along the greater curvature, the fundus of the stomach is supplied by short gastric vessels. Then there is the left gastroepiploic artery and the right gastroepiploic artery. The veins of the stomach drain into the portal vein.